Meat in them back then, but over the years people just stick to the dried fruit, apple, spices, of course a bit of brandy. Now I normally make the fruit mince up the day before when you cook it out, so the dried fruit will absorb all the moisture, so they're lovely and tender and full of juice for when you do eat them. Now, talking about eating them, I'll have a go now. As you can see, that the pastry is fully cooked around top and bottom. Just I didn't put any sugar on the top of the star because you know, as you can see, I put the icing sugar on top. So here we go. Yeah, lovely. Pastry's not too sweet, a little bit crumbly, which is good, and the fruit mince, it's lovely. You can taste the peel in there. You got the almonds in there for a bit of crunch. Absolutely delicious. Can't beat homemade cooking. So give it a go. Press the like and subscribe button. Leave a comment below. And we shall see you for the next video. Thank you.